just is no happy medium. It's either this way or this way. Yeah, it's almost to the point where if I were to raise the 3-point arms right now, it might, instead of going up and leveling off, it might go pop. And if it does that, something's going to be not in good shape. So I guess I'm going to have to do something. You know, the old Rears pack tanks, they had a funky top link. It was just a piece of flat bar with a notch in it, actually a little ramp to make a hook, and it came off the top of the tank, 100-gallon tank, and it came off the top and the arms were down toward the bottom. When you raised it up, it had a piece that was hooked over the arms that hooked over the notch, so that you couldn't set it down unless you raised it up and then unhooked it. That's what it came down to. And I might have to figure something on here for this. I don't know. We will see.
Well, shit. He ate all his good grain, but the asshole can fit his head in the feeder hoe. Made a mess of his grain, too.
Looks like I got me a traffic jam up here. It's been a slow morning. Really slow getting irrigation moved. But I can't see it very well, but big traveler sitting there, guns behind those trees back there. It's going. We just stretched the little one out here, so go turn it on. Make sure that one up there is actually moving. So we're trying to keep it going slow. Yeah, you can tell the hot weather hit again. The cows are looking like shit again. That was kind of nice last week. Cows actually perked up, and Pat Amy was even looking really skinny there for a while, and she almost looked normal. But hey, you know, what do we hit? 95 yesterday, 92 the day before, and the heat wave isn't starting till now. All freaking week. And yeah, that sucker's dripping like crazy again, but I don't know that I dare tighten it anymore because I'm almost all the way in. So I gotta find packing for it. There should be some here. If not, I may give Tom a call because he's got a buddy that works at Berkeley and might get the right packing for it. I don't know. We'll see. It's hot out. It's only 90 freaking degrees. Look at sweaty butt. And now she was going to move a traveler back out and look for the fuel leak on that. That I haven't found yet. I ain't going to touch it yet. Gets a little warm. That's my fix for the crowd gate in the back barn so we can catch that steer.
How big is this?
The reason you get to see my face is because I'm going to tell you a secret. I fucking hate scammers! I'm in the middle trying to put this together. My phone rings. It's before I was welding, because when I'm welding, my phone is sitting on the welder face down. I've fucked up enough screens. I don't do that shit. Anyway. First off, there's nobody there. And it says I had a missed call. It was connected, but it said I had a missed call besides that. So apparently they tried calling twice. Same number. Then, since no one's there, my normal line is, fine, I didn't effing want to talk to you either. And then I hang up. I gave plenty of options for the guys to say something, and he wouldn't. Complete silence. I set my phone down over on the welder. I'm getting ready to weld. Phone rings again. Same a-hole. Why you hang up on me? Hey, dumb shit. I didn't hang up on you. You wouldn't frickin' talk. So, proceeds to tell me that I shouldn't have hung up because I've won $20 million cash in a lottery. So that's a good frickin' trick because I ain't never bought a lottery ticket in my life. Anyway, I just thought I'd tell you that tidbit. And of course, you know, foreign voice. Yeah. Oh no, same countries that every freaking outfit that we have to call for customer support has their call centers in. So, you know, probably some bored dude at Joe Blow's Appliances call center. Anyway, we're going to go put this thing on. See, I got the appropriate tools. This. For this. There we go. There's my finger. This. Little one. As I try to drop you. Because we're putting 2 legs in. Because the post is hollow. The outside's solid as hell. It's an old railroad tie. I mean, you can bump it, you can do whatever, you can't budge it. So, just going to put the legs in to support that. And put it through and tighten it up. And it'll be good enough for that inside gate. Then I still got to do something for the outside gate, which I think is going to be just underneath where this one comes through. I may make something to hang off the end of it. I don't know. We'll see. And still need to bolt the bottom of the head gate back in, which may get incorporated into all that. But that takes a lot of contemplating.
Butt scratching.
Standing out there in the hot freaking sun. And I don't know what it is now. The one in here always reads way low because it's hiding underground over here. But before we came out of the house, it said 91. So there you go. Back in the mid-90s. Yeah. Can you tell? Can you tell? I mean, look how shiny my face is. My shiny complexion. That looks better. Gate's back on. It's really, yeah, it's only there for a crowd gate when we're trying to run them out. Because every critter that comes into this pen, or that one, they all come through that head gate off the trailer. That way they know when it's time to go out, that's where they're going. And she's going to see if she can put a chain on this one. They always rub them and bust the twine. Then she's going to lay it on the hot wire and wonder why it's sparking.
My shorter one wouldn't work.
So anyway, that part's done. I still got to figure what to do for the bottom. The post is leaned a little, so it's farther up the bottom. But that's been a good old head gate. Works. That's 90% of the struggle.
What, too many? Are you waiting for Ompa to come with another bale? And you're upset because there's not another one right here for you? Yeah, I hear you, Delaney. You're upset because there's not another one right now, huh? Too many? See, you hear the John Deere. It's coming. It's coming. Are you proud of yourself?
At least she didn't land notched down.
That's true. I'd be really pissed then. Too many?
Ah, looky. Nice bale set over the fence. Flopped over. Perfect. Nice distance away from the fence. Next one's right here. Oh, wait. Oh, it's down there. I seriously thought about trying to do that. No, I'll just leave it up here. So I set it and then I gently rolled it. And yeah, well, you know, I think Tylen got a video of it going down. One of the calves was screaming. I think that calf closest to it, she was screaming at it. It was going down the hill. And it went flop, 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 and it almost stayed on the edge that's pointed toward us. And just kind of last second, it went up and on edge. So at least I didn't put the knots down. And it's okay if it's down there. Get a little seed down there, right? See how much seed's left in this stuff. I'll find out how this hillside grows. And that little one right there should be Lena's calf. Yep. That'd be Lena's calf. Yeah, the fun stuff in life. Hey, look who we got in here. See, I told you that thing would work.
And we're gonna swap. Hi.
Oh, she don't punch a button.
No. You guys can't really tell, but he's white right here in the corner. Yeah.
Hey, look, I got you back. Hey, look, it's still videoing. So, this morning she said it was closed tight.
It was closed really
But
tight.
in here, of course, in the shade inside, he had it wide open. So, probably get by without putting a patch on it, maybe.
No, as bad white as it is.
Yeah, she says, I can't see that part from here.
And the flies have been after his corner.
I don't dare not be right here.
Nope.
I mean, it's a nice head gate. It's for like his size and a little bigger. But we left his buddies in here like Jackson and the other steers. Looks kind of nice cleaned up, doesn't it? Still got it full of shit, but it's cleaned up. And the dogs are up there being patient while they watch Jackson eat. That's okay. The nice thing about this barn, there's almost always a cool breeze coming through here. This was the only one that was ever any fun to actually hand stack hay in, because it was always a cool breeze. You go to the barn and you'd burn out. Anyway, that's enough BSing for now. We'll get him patched and talking about giving him a shot at LA too, which probably won't hurt.